Group them, but you cannot group them.
Good.
Because
Okay, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to find the roots of the equation. The roots of the equation are the value that will make this true. So what's unknown here is my x values. So I need to figure out what is x equal to. We're going to factor this, but number one, is there a greatest common factor for all three terms? No. Is this in the form 1x squared plus bx plus c? 1x squared. No, there's a value for a that's not 1. So we're looking for two things that multiply together to give us 6 times negative 10, which is negative 60, and that add up to negative 11. Remember this form of factoring? And then we're going to group them. So factor this. 15 times positive 4 is negative 60, adds up to negative 11. We need to group the 15 and the 4 with both of these terms, right? The first term and the last term. We're splitting up the negative 11. So we have 6x squared. Are we going to put negative 15 with the 6 or 4 with the 6? Which one has a common factor? Good. So plus 4x, then negative 15x minus 10 equals 0. Okay, so now we can factor by grouping. What's the greatest common factor of 6x squared and 4x? 2x, good. So 2x times what gives me 6x squared? 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Plus what? 2, good. And then this has a negative, so we're going to factor out the negative. What's the common factor? Negative 5, good. So I'm left with 3x plus 2. So in factored form, what do we have? How do I write this in factored form? 2x minus 5, 3x plus 2 equals 0. We need to know what x is equal to. So I know that 2x minus 5 equals 0, and 3x plus 2 equals 0. Can you solve for x now for each one? So 2x equals, bring this over, positive 5, solve for x, divide by 2, x equals 2.5. And the other value of x, we have 3x equals what? Negative 2, divide by 3, cancels out. What's negative 2 divided by 3? We can leave it as a fraction, or if you put it into decimal, it would be negative 0.6 repeating. So it's approximately equal to that.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.